What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be changing the side marker to install this new one. I'll show you guys how to put on this sequential side marker. First, what you want to do, get a pry tool and just pry up through here. I already have this take off already, so easy. Just pry it up here, easy to top off. Take off the mirror cap. Slide on the side. Then the mirror, same thing. Just put the pry tool behind. Just press on it and pull it out. And you get it off. Make sure you put a microfiber towel so you don't scratch up your paint. So I just want to cover that like that so you don't scratch up your paint. Next, there's 3 screws in here. One right here, one here, and one is on the other side. So let me get to it. That's on the right. So make sure you guys remember where these 3 screws goes. So these 2 black ones, they go in the front, and the silver one go right here on the bottom here. Okay, make sure you guys remember that. Next, you're just gonna slide this down like this, slide it out like this, and this you can just pull it up, pull it back. It comes out like this. See? This one is have a clip right here that clip in to this wire like this. So you just pry up on here and pull it out and come out like that. Very easy. Next, take a new one, right? Oh, sorry guys, I get the wrong side. So make sure you keep the left side. Alright, so this now, take this and snap this in just like that. Not going just like that, right? For the wire that we're going to be tapping into, so I'm going to get a posi top. I find these the best tap to use, the posi top, with one hand. Just feed this into and you screw it on here. Make sure you screw it on tight. So this now going nowhere. The other end, just simply you pinch the wire, so you don't have to do no cutting. So what you do, you take this end, you put it in here. Make sure you guys tap into the red wire. That's for your power. Red is for your power. So you want to get power to this, right? Now you just screw this out. Alright, next. So put it down here. So go in, just go in like that. Make sure this line up there. Hear that click? You know, click in. Push the wire down. Push this down. Unlock. So now we're going to button back up everything and I'll show you the end result. With a click, so So now you get back your screws. Remember this silver screw go right here. Two black ones go on the opposite side. Yes, sir. You put the two outer screw right in the front. Then take the mirror cap, line up your clips. Then you take your mirror and do the same thing. Just like that, everything is done. Voila. Test again. Look at that. That looks so beautiful. Gotta love it. Now just repeat the same thing on the following side. Quick and easy. So on the other side, time lapse it, and then I'll show you guys a before and a after. Alright guys, and just like that, done. Alright, thank you guys for watching Vibes with Things and how to install sequential turn signal with blue lighting in it. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. So when I drop another banger, you guys will be the first to see it. Thank you. Adios.